Hello guys, my name is Madhur and welcome to my channel. This is the 16th tutorial in the series of tutorials on Unix shell scripting. Now in the previous tutorials we've discussed quite a lot of commands, and I haven't kept a count, but we've discussed more than 20 commands for sure, and we have reached the point now where we can begin our discussion on shell programming. Now a shell script is nothing but a file that has a few commands in it, and the commands are executed in the same order as they are specified in the file. In this tutorial we're going to learn to create a script file, and then we learn to execute a script file using the terminal, and we learn a few more things. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open my text editor program, and generally when we create our first program, the thing that we do is we learn to display a string of text on screen. And in Unix, the way you do that is by using the command echo. Now before I type in any text in my file, what I'm going to do is I'm going to save my file, and I'm going to save it in the home folder, and I'll call it ss1, and I'll give it an extension sh. Now the extension does not hold any value for the operating system, but it's for me to know that this file is a script file in case I later check my directory. It will help me distinguish this file from the other text files that I have in my directory. So there you go. You can be more elaborate with the names, but this is the convention that we're gonna follow in this course. In the second tutorial, if I prepare a script file, I'll call it ss2. In the next one, I'll call it ss3. So that's how we're gonna go. But you can basically put any name there. So that's it. And when I save this file with the sh extension, my text editor knows that this is a script file. So it would display some of the keywords in my program in different ink, and you'll see that. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the echo command, and within double quotes I'll put in a message that I wish to display. So I'll just put in hello world, since that's the thing that we learned to display, and that's it. It's as simple as that. I don't have to put a semicolon at the end. I don't have to do anything. My script file is ready. And another thing that we're going to learn in this tutorial is to use comments in our script files. Now you get a comment in your file by putting the hash character, and then you can type in anything like this is my first shell script, and I can save this file. Now if you wish to have a comment that spans over multiple lines, then you have to put a hash at the beginning of each line of your comment. It's different from other languages like C or C++, in which you can put a slash and an asterisk as the first two characters in your comment, and then you can put an asterisk and a slash at the end of your comment, and it can spread over 15 lines. It's it's different here. You'll have to put a hash as the first character in each line of your comment. So that's it. My file is ready, and I can see in my home folder that it's there. It's called ss1.sh, and it's looking pretty. Now how do you execute a file, a script file that is? You'll have to use the command sh. Now sh is a built-in program that is used by the shell to execute script files, and what you have to do is you'll have to type in sh, give a space, and then type in the name of the file, the program that you've created, and in this case it is ss1.sh, and when I press the enter key I get my string of text. It's as simple as that, isn't it? Very simple. So there you go. We learned to create a shell script. We also learned to execute a shell script. We learned how to put comments in our shell scripts. In the next tutorial we're gonna learn how to use other commands in our shell script, and from here on we'll be increasing the complexity of the course slightly, and I'll try to do that gradually so that you people stay at par, and You guys can also do research at your own end and learn about the commands that we've discussed, that is, learn more. And you can see man pages of the commands that we've discussed, and learn about the options that we haven't discussed in this course but come along with the commands. And that's basically the approach that you should follow. And nobody is a master, but you can become one if you practice. And well, was that a quotation? It was a bad one. I shouldn't have said that, but it's okay. That's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.